textured tile. Parang hindi mo talaga siya makikita sa ibang suppliers.
Though how we clean it is usually just vacuum. So everything's nahihila.
Even if kunwari mang merong stain or parang spill of wine, water lang.
So it's coated all throughout. It's not just in front of the door. And that's what makes it also water resistant.
Parang naka-wrap around na siya.
Yes, and then this one is edged with ABS edging, and with our Emotions line, it is laser edged. So yeah, you can play around with the materials and it has a movable component. So it can serve as an additional counter space. So if you want to hide the stuff that is in the kitchen, do this. Plate rack system, and this system at the back, which you can put your plates and you just wash and it's going to
This backsplash, actually, you can see the frame. So this is a special backsplash. We have this tracking system. So there's a conductor on that metal frame. Conductor meaning there's electricity involved.
Design is the hidden waste bin storage. So it looks more seamless, hindi lalabas yung baho ng trash.
Just giving you one cabinet, countertop height, kung saan sila comfortable. So no problem, we can adjust to our baseboard, we can adjust the cabinet.
Here, so the name of this kitchen is Ricardo because he's a lot more masculine, it's a lot darker and dramatic.
Brands talaga. So with the swing, very minimal lang yung
Pag glass, mas nicer kasi to see.
Kaming sink na 70 cm. So,
Yes.
So,
Yes. There you go.
you can do that. Like for example, this is we did the branches. Yeah, outside it's similar, pero yung mga cabinet.
Countertop. Tapos, pag nagpatong ka ng pot or pan on top of it, magkukook na siya. But it's on a specific area. And if you touch it, if you remove the pot, hindi siya iinit. Pero iinit yung pot. And then you can charge your phone, you can put a blender on top of it, tapos mag-blend siya. So, it's very futuristic. It's very popular in our branch in Los Angeles.
19 yung. So, same as with the tile trim, as I mentioned earlier. With famous architects and designers, like for example, Zaha Hadid. But we just don't have it here. Simon Micheli, to produce this.
compartments